They should really be along there.
So she's not coming?
Okay.
So she's not coming?
I don't think so.
Oh, you're on me.
I do. You just keep your hand on this chain.
Oh my god.
This is freaking insane.
Oh my god.
Okay, I made my hands, 2 hands on the rope, please. Like either keep your, okay, either keep your hand like, yeah, like run your hand along the chain.
One hand on the chain and no one remembers your name.
Seriously, Brendan?
Not too morbid.
Oh, no, not too early. Not too early for that.
Just remember, this chain has a 10,000-pound test. You only weigh 200 pounds.
Hey, I've been working out.
I was just guessing. I didn't mean to offend. Would you prefer 150?
Okay, somewhere in the middle of those two.
He prefers one.
Here. Oh my God, Brendan, please don't lean back on the chain. Seriously, that makes me nervous. This is stupid.
There's no chains up here, so.
Well, that may be where we're gonna stop then. No, I'm not gonna come on. Why don't you get right up there and then take a picture?
If you go just a little bit, right here, awesome view.
God, this is slick. Dude, sit down, please. Come here.
I'm right at the edge.
Right here. Let's just sit and take a breath. Please.